What's going up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What's up, all you real ones? Shout out to my Bull Runner family and my OBA family. It is time for another episode of Truck Vids. So I'm driving in my truck, as I do a lot, and I had to do something for work that was out of the normal. You know, it comes up, you gotta kind of adjust on the fly. And this is something that we need to do in business, and it's something that you need to recognize in your own life, especially when it comes to things like investing, or maybe even things that you have going on in life. So one thing that I've learned and have been reminded of recently is following, the right path of intuition, being connected either with a higher power from God or the universe, or however it works, however you want to say it, but getting yourself in the right mindset and getting connected. Now, of course, we can use things like Vincent Ortega Jr.'s meditations and positive affirmations that you can listen to, which is fantastic, to help get you in the right frame of mind, the right vibration, and so forth. And I was in my truck doing this, and ever since I've been doing this, true story, that a lot of these unique things just keep coming into my life out of nowhere. That is just amazing. So I wanted to share that with you, and to share this is, whenever something comes into your life that you've been thinking about, you've been praying for, you've been putting your energy into, and this opportunity comes before you, it's up to you to take advantage of that opportunity. See, it's up to you to grasp what is right in front of you. See, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't, make it drink, as the saying goes, meaning that I can show you the door, I can't make you walk through it, but you have to walk through it on your own, and you have to take a drink for yourself. You have to feel it inside you and take action on what is before you. And I've learned this firsthand, and I'm being reminded of it on a daily basis lately. So I just wanted to give this quick video and a little shout out to you guys to be in an attitude of gratitude, be extremely thankful for the things in your life, because it's not about what you have or what you would like to have. I guess I said that wrong. I guess we're all human, right? I guess what I mean to say is, it's not what you would like to have, it's appreciating what you do have and being grateful for that every day, even if it's something simple. Every day I've been waking up, and I've done this my whole life. I've been grateful that I'm alive. I've been grateful that I still have my fingers and my toes, and that I can still walk. Things like this. I have a disabled parent in my family, and I don't take any of those things for granted, and they are a blessing, being able to have some basic things like that. So, having this attitude of gratitude, throughout your life, when the right opportunity presents itself, it's up to you to take advantage of it and get rewarded, because God wants to see you in abundance. He wants to see you doing well in all areas, not just in one area. And the only way that you're going to recognize where you're supposed to be or your calling is to get right and get focused. So I would recommend popping up one of Dr. Vincent Ortega Jr.'s affirmations and quantum affirmations, be able to listen to one of those. That would absolutely help. Stick around the 963 hertz vibes and get kind of connected back with yourself and get yourself focused, because the world is absolutely amazing, and what you focus on is what you're going to bring into your life. So get focused, stay blessed, my friends. Obviously, give me a comment in the real ones, all you real ones out there. Shout out to all my Bull Runners and my OBA family. Go follow Nick and Ryan on the Bull Runners. Right there, get caught up on your daily crypto news and world news as far as the economic scale, which is pretty phenomenal information. If you're not up to date with all of this information every day, you are missing out. With all that being said, I decided to make a quick truck vid video. I miss all you guys. I will see you soon. Shout outs. I'm outie. Peace, fam.